Alright, it's 8:30 on Sunday, July 28th, and we are sailing away. The waters are pretty rough, the boat's rocking pretty good. Come out here and show you the view. It's nothing but water, that's all we can see. Cool out here and the wind's blowing pretty good. Probably what, about 60 degrees? Yeah. This is the observation deck upstairs. Bar over there. We're having pizza and lemonade. It's okay. It's not the best pizza, but it's alright. Alright, we just got back from dinner upstairs and we came to our room and look at our little animal. Our little towel animal. It's even got little bug eyes. How cute! That is adorable. And then they left all of our stuff here on the bed with 2 chocolates and a remote nice and neat. They closed our balcony door. It was so nice and dark in here, and then they turned on our little lamps. Put our pillows up on the bed. It was so nice when we came in here. Alright, so we're gonna run to a show now, so I'm gonna show a little bit of that for you guys. I'm supposed to go to a show at 9 o'clock, so we're leaving now.
Living it up in the city, got chucks on, just sang the rock, gotta kiss myself so pretty. I'm too hot, I'm police and I'm fireman. I'm too hot, any track I'm on, retire man. I'm too hot, I'm tired of the tired, the way that things are getting up, the way that things are getting up. Second thing, don't you tell me what you think. I'm the one meant to say that I'm the master of my CEO. Come on. Come on, let's do it again, come on. Hey, come on, y'all. Hey, keep knocking out, girl. Keep knocking out.
Till I played to Memphis. Hey guys, it is Monday morning, 7 a.m., July 29th, and we rushed out here on the balcony because we actually got to see the fins of the whale, but I couldn't get the camera on fast enough to show you. But there's a boat, I think it's another Holland boat, right across from us heading to Alaska too. Hopefully I can get some whales on here for you when we get closer to Alaska.
Another one over here.
Another one? Oh, I see it. I see it. See if I can, oh, there it is. I just barely got the fin. Oh, there's another one way out there. Right there. I didn't get it fast enough. There it is. Oh, there it is right there. There it is. I see the top of it. Oh, there's the fins. That foggy over there. Oh, there's one blowing up steam right there. Okay guys, look at me. I just got out of the shower. Ran out here on the balcony. It's freezing cold. My hair's wet. But I had to see the whales. It's so awesome and so beautiful. It's so cool. And look, here's Shannon with his binoculars, scoping them out. So I'm gonna go blow dry my hair and get dressed for the day because we're going to Juneau today at, we're supposed to board at 1 o'clock. So I need to go in there and blow dry and straighten my hair, but I had to come out here and at least I got some of the fins. Hopefully we'll be able to see more and I can show you more. Yay! Hey guys, I'm in here blow drying my hair and I just had to show you something. Shannon's out on the balcony looking at his binoculars. He is so excited. I have never seen him so excited. He is loving this trip. He got seasick the first day, but after we got some medicine in him, he was okay, but he is really enjoying himself and he loves seeing new things, and I think he's just fascinated. But anyway, I just thought that was so cute because he's so excited. Alright, we had breakfast served in the room this morning because we had to get ready and I had to wash my hair and all that, yada yada. But anyway, we just got it, our breakfast. Looks like we ordered a feast for breakfast, babe. We got 2 frosted flakes and
Toast here.
oh, that's toast in the basket. And then fruit. And what's this? I think an omelet, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, an omelet and a hash brown, ham and cheese omelet and hash brown. We got some coffee and creamer, cranberry juice, apple juice, some yogurt and jelly. Oh, and grapefruit juice. There's apple juice, grapefruit juice, and cranberry juice. That's right. And then milk for our cereal and bowls. Alright guys, we just arrived at Juneau, Alaska. Look at that's the tram car thing that you can book for an excursion, which we did not book that, but that is pretty cool. It goes all the way up there to the top of the mountain. And it looks like there's some shops and stuff. More shops. Cool. Look at the mountain up there. Let me see if I can zoom out here. Look at that. It's so pretty. We are going on an excursion today, so we'll take you along. We're going to the State Museum. We're going to the Mendenhall Glacier. And we're going to some kind of rainforest garden. So we'll be sure to show you all of that. There's another cruise ship docked over there. Alright, the front of the boat. I'll show you how big this boat is. That is a big boat. State Museum. What is this? Art and Requirements of Life. Look at all that beadwork. That's cool. Beads.